Hey guys, Isaac Matthews here at Nichols Marine. Today in front of me is a 2025 Chaparral 21 Ski Fish. This boat is powered by a MerCruiser 4.5 250 horsepower engine. Comes equipped with a motor guide 24 volt trolling motor. Back here at the aft you have a large sun lounge area. You have the captain's chairs. Both of these chairs can be pulled out and installed here under that sun pad and then under that seat right there. You have an ice chest here. Silicone upholstery throughout the boat. SIMRAD display screen. Deep bow seating, and your anchor locker. Stop by our Tulsa store today. Come check this boat out or give me a call at 918-676-6868 and stop by our website nicholsmarine.com for new and used inventory.